So, the video interrupted again. So I got the 8 screws in. That's not going anywhere. So now I'm going to mount the actual exhaust unit now, and get these turrets nice and done. I'm pretty happy with that. These screws should hold on to vibration, and they didn't pop through the top of the deck. So I may come back eventually and maybe epoxy these. So I may epoxy these bolts in, maybe. So I don't think this is very thick. I think in there between that's either probably balsa. That's probably balsa underneath here, I'd say, because this is built in 1973. So chances are that the core in here is balsa. So nothing really sticks on that very well. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So now I just got to attach the exhaust unit. Well, I started to tighten up the bolts. I got it mounted like this. This is how it's going to sit. And then I'm going to make a heat shield for the other side of here. For this here, I'll put a heat shield here just to protect this a bit if this gets too hot. I'm going to wrap this too. I'm going to wrap this with the titanium exhaust wrap that I've got as well. That will stop some of the heat, but I'm still going to make a heat shield for out here. It's just going to wrap around it so it doesn't, so these don't get too fried. These are pretty close. My old instruments before the fire were a little bit more over this way. There wasn't nothing in front of this, so I had really no choice to put that there because of the profile from this there, because it wouldn't have no room. So but someone just pissed in my coffee. I just dropped my 7/16 wrench down in the bilge. Now I've got to go fish that out. That's going to be probably take me all afternoon maybe. So anyway, that's it for that now at the moment. Okay, I got my exhaust manifold bracket done. That's not going anywhere. That is not going anywhere. We reattach these maybe into there. Reattach these to there, something like that. And just move this way. Put some wrap around that so it doesn't burn. Something around there to protect this. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So it's all nicely secured on. It's not going to go anywhere. And I'm pretty happy with the exhaust manifold being put on. So yes, it's pretty stable, but to wrap that to that, tie that to that, I guess. Got plenty of wrap. So what I might do next is the wrap, I think. I'll figure out these cables eventually, I guess. Figure out how to secure them properly. So I'm pretty stoked. These don't stick for shit. Figure out how to get in there. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. I'm going to put the exhaust wrap on maybe this afternoon, I think, or tonight. I'll do the exhaust wrap. I'll go around the those off, but you know what, don't hit your head on them. The only person that should be in here is me anyway, so yeah, but So yeah, that's that. So I got all that done. Gonna go and have some lunch and download these videos for now. And so then I'll come back and do some more projects. This way, Sublime. Catch you later.